So this is our room, 2103. Come in, we're going to take a quick walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is plenty big for the wheelchair. The challenge might be for some is it only has a single handrail. You can see that the shower is big enough. If you want to, you can get your wheelchair in there, turn around. Sliding door is easy to manipulate. As she comes out of the shower, we'll take a quick look at. I wanted to show you a little more about the shower. So the shower has a handheld nozzle, but one of the other things that's pretty cool is it has a rain shower type shower as well, so you have a choice of the two. You do have a nice grab rail in this corner of the shower. And again, it's totally accessible. There's not any obstacles in the way. We'll go out into it also does have a convenience height toilet seat, which is nice for Cheryl because she getting up and down is a little bit of a challenge. Let's go ahead and go out into the room. And the doors to the bathroom are plenty nice. It does come with some amenities. You have a safe, ironing board, iron, some drawers. And a door that didn't want to open, but it's just a really stiff latch. Plenty of closet space, nice hangers. There is an umbrella here, which is a nice touch for an area that tends to have some tropical storms. We're looking at the room itself. It's easily navigable with a wheelchair. This room's got 2 queen-size beds. Minibar's got water, soda, some snacks and stuff for kids. So it's well stocked. Plenty of space for the sitting area. Okay, hold on. It does have a safety lock. I'll show it to you. There on one side of the sliding glass door so that nobody could open it. Now go ahead and try. Easy access out to the patio. Yeah. As Cheryl says, you got your own little piece of beach right here by your room. I got some. If you want to get some sunshine, you got recliners. Each room has their own little semi-private area for each room. We do have some chairs, and slide out here and take a look back. Plenty of room for the wheelchair on the patio. So, nice patio. You've got a ceiling fan out here, a swinging chair. So for us, the room is really nice. Like I said, for somebody that had real mobility challenges, having another rail in the bathroom would be a good choice. But that's the only negative I've seen in a little bit bigger lip on the outside to get into the room. Cheryl backed in by herself without any issue. And as you can see, you know, nice size room. You definitely will not want to leave your patio door open because it is a little on the warm side outside.